Action.
So hi everyone, it's me Nisa Kaur, and today I am doing the presentation on gathering price components into the tender submission. So there are some outline over there for my overall presentation. For the first one, I will do some introduction and then strategies for sourcing supplier quotation, and there the soliciting competitive and accurate quotations, and the criteria for evaluating quotations, and quality compliance and cost competitiveness assessment, and the negotiation techniques for the favorable pricing and the contractual terms, and there's some sort of conclusion and references are there. So I will start with some introduction. So the gathering the price components for the tender submission is critical in the construction industry, as it directly impacts the construction competitiveness and the viability of the bid. This presentation will cover the overall key strategies involved in the sourcing suppliers quotation, ensuring the accuracy and competitiveness, evaluating quality and compliance, negotiating favorable pricing and contractual terms. And by looking after these all elements, we can create comprehensive and compelling tender submissions that meets clients' expectation while securing the cost effectiveness solution for medium to large buildings. So going through our first topics, there's the strategies for sourcing suppliers. So there's direct supplier. So going throughout the direct supplier, like we can just obtain personalized quotations, and we can just do negotiate the terms. So this kind of approach allows for tailored communication and better understanding throughout the overall specific project needs. And there's other one, there's online marketplaces. Using different kind of online marketplaces to compare quotation from the various suppliers, we can offer a broad range of products, facilitating easy price of comparisons. And there's the industry databases, so accessing the comprehensive listing of suppliers through the industries databases. These resources provide the detailed profiles and contact informations, and helping to identify and reach out to potential suppliers efficiently. And there's the other one, the company website. So visiting supplier website to request quotation and review podcast information. Many companies offers online forms and or direct contact options for the obtaining quotes and accessing up to date details. That's also the good one for sourcing the supplier quotation. And there's the last one, industry association. So leverage industry association for suppliers, recommendation and referrals. So this organization provides access to trusted suppliers and industry-specific insights through their networks and events. So going towards the second one, there's the soliciting competitive and the accurate quotations. So providing the detailed specifications, so it clearly outlines all the requirements, including technical specifications, quantities, delivery timelines, and quality standards. And detailed specification helps suppliers provide precise and accurate quotations, reducing the risk of misunderstanding and inconsistency. And engaging the multiple suppliers, so reaching out to several suppliers to create the competitive environment. So by inviting multiple suppliers to submit bids, we can encourage competitive pricing and gain a range of options to compare for the best value. And this is the third one, setting out the clear deadlines and the terms. So communicating clear deadlines for the quotation submission, define the terms and condition upfront, including payments, terms, warranties, and the delivery expectations. This ensures the suppliers provides quotations that are aligned with your project timeline and contractual needs. And the last one, there's the conduct pre-bid meetings. So organizing pre-bid meetings or site visit with the potential suppliers to discuss the project scope and the clarifying the questions. This helps to suppliers to fully understand the project requirements, leading to more accurate and relevant quotations. And there's the third one, the criteria for evaluating quotations. So first one is price. So evaluating the cost of the materials or service often in the quotation. So comparing the price from different suppliers to determine to the most effective option that fits within the project budget. So ensuring that the quoted price includes all the relevant costs as shipping, handling, and the taxes. So other one is the sustainability. So assessing the environmental impact of the material or the services, and considering the factors such as energy efficiency, recyclability, and the use of sustainable resources. And the suppliers that prioritize sustainability can contribute to the project's environmental goals and the compliance within the green building standards. And there's the capability, reviewing the suppliers' ability to meet the project requirements, including their capacity to deliver the needed material or the services within the specified time frames, and ensuring that the supplier has the technical capability and resources to handle the scope of the work. And there's the other one, this experience. So considering the supplier's track record and experiencing in the industry, suppliers with the relevant experience more likely to provide the relevant high quality product or the service. And there's the financial capacity. So accessing the financial capacity of the suppliers to ensure they have the resources to fulfill the contract. And the financially stable supplier is less likely to face issues that could impact project delivery, such as financial difficulties or supply chain disruptions. And there's the quality and safety plan. So ensuring that the established protocols for the maintaining product or service quality and adhering safety standards, so it might help in mitigating the risk and the compliance with the industry regulations. And there's the methodology. So this kind of this will includes the project management and management techniques, production process, and the logistical plans. So the clear, effective methodology contributes to successful project executions. And there's the innovation practice. So suppliers who incorporate innovative solution can provide more efficient, effective, and cutting-edge products or services that may offer additional benefits or improvements. So there's the other one, the quality compliance and the cost competitiveness assessment. So there's a direct price comparison. So comparing the price of the similar products or the services from the different suppliers, or direct price comparison help ensure the cost is competitive and aligns with the budget. So total cost of ownership, the evaluating the overall cost of the product will maintain the operational cost, potential disposal cost, and it will provides the comprehensive view of the long-term financial impact and the value-added service. So considering any additional services offered by the suppliers, such as installation, training, or the support, value-added services can enhance the overall value and the efficiency of the product or the service. Yeah. So, and there's the technical specifications. So ensuring that the material or services meet the detailed technical requirements, and it includes the verified dimension, performance characteristics, and complying with the relevant standards. So, and the product samples. So as per the product samples, it will help verify that the supplied item matches the specifications and the quality standards before the final purchase. And there's the certifications and references. So checking for the relevant certification and references from the reputable organization provide insights in the supply track record and the reliability. And there's the payment terms. So favorable term can improve cash flows and the financial flexibility for the projects. And the delivery time is also relevant for the avoiding delays in the construction projects. And there's the negotiation techniques for the favorable pricing and contractual terms. So researching and the analysis before entering discussions, so that will help in just doing the negotiation strategy and ensuring you are well prepared of that one. And using the multiple offers, which will provide the leverage in negotiation and help secure better pricing and terms by showing suppliers they have alternatives. And understanding supply motivation and interest, it will also help in approaching the airline with their priorities and increasing the chance of reaching a favorable agreement. So, and there's the effective communication and active listening, so which will help in mutual understanding and making it easier to negotiate terms and that are beneficial for both parties. And for the conclusion, so as it for the successful tender submission on the medium or large building, it is quite evaluated and quotation by sourcing from diverse channels, including direct suppliers and marketplaces. So this approach ensures a strong and competitive tender submissions. So there are some differences from.
Minions. Is that a topic related?
Can you go back to the, thank you. Right, okay, we'll move on to the next session, question and answer, right? If you want to check the quality of the collected quotation of the particular material, what are the things you check?
So first of all, I will check that it will compliance with the New Zealand Building Code or not, and like I will check everything like the fire safety regulations, and I'll just check towards the welfare management act like that. So and I will check like the so like that, sir.
Actually, what is the purpose of collecting quotation for a QS?
So for the purpose of collecting the quotation for QS is like, so as it estimate the cost and the budgeting as well, and it will help in the decision making as well, and there's some kind of doing the it will help in it will just doing the negotiation, and we will just do for the price comparison like that. So we'll compare the price as well, and we'll look after the quantity as well, and there's so and as per it will look after the compliance as well, legal and the compliance.
How do you select the best quotation for a particular material or machine? You have 5-6 quotation. How do you choose the best one as a QS?
So I'll just call
What
it
is your scientific approach?
scientific. So as first of all, I will call it each and every quotation over there, and I will just do the work breakdown table, and I will find out that they like every. So I'll just look after first of all the price, and then I will just go after the quality and quantity as well, and then I will just have a look that it is suitable for our budget as well. I'll just go after our budget and the price as given by the several quotation, and if it's affordable to ours and the quantity and price is good, I will just go after the first one.
Okay, thank you very much.